A vital part of your car's maintenance is to change your brake fluid to keep it to the correct specification. This ensures the brake fluid is working efficiently at all temperatures. We recommend this is conducted every 2 years. It takes just seconds to get your car booked in. Simply enter your vehicle registration and you'll get an instant price for your car's specific needs. You can choose your preferred date and time that is most convenient for you, and you'll get an instant confirmation email. You only pay once the work is done. Finally, as we go that extra mile to make you smile, we'll send you an email asking you for your review.